We're doing this perm rod set on blow dried hair. So the first product I'm using is the ALIKAY Naturals Lemongrass Leave-In Conditioner from their Lemongrass collection. I talked about this and the whole line in another video, so definitely go check that out. But I'm using this to moisturize my hair while it's still damp, and this product makes my hair feel super soft, smooth, and it's giving me a perfect base before I blow dry my hair. After applying the leave-in all over, I'm twisting my hair up and letting it really sit and absorb into my hair before moving on to the next step. Did y'all like my little transition? So now that my hair is fully blow dried, I'm sectioning my hair into 4 parts like always and dividing the first section in the back into my first small section. Before applying any product, I'm detangling that section with my paddle brush and then going in with the ALIKAY Naturals Lemongrass Styling Mousse, one of my favorite products from this line. I'm only using 1 pump because my sections are pretty small, so 1 pump was enough for my hair to be coated but not revert. So my technique for perm rod sets is to coat most of the mousse at the ends of my hair, starting at the bottom and wrapping the ends up, then twisting it until it's tied at my root. And I repeat this process all over my head with the orange and purple perm rods. When doing a perm rod set, try to make sure your ends are tucked and secure to avoid frizzy ends. Frizzy ends with styles like perm rod sets really ruin the result, so tuck those ends before fully rolling up that rod. The Lemongrass Styling Mousse has a lightweight hold and is super versatile. You can use it on locks, for protective styles, or for rod sets. Once I finished with all the rods, I left them in overnight, and the next day I was ready to take them out. Not very comfortable to sleep in at all, but very worth it. I was pretty confident that my hair was fully dry, so I went right in and took out all of the rods. I really wanted to use all orange rods, but I actually ran out, so I did have to improvise and use the smaller purple rods. But either way, I still think that the style came out really cute, and I just can't wait for y'all to see these results. Now before separating anything, I'm applying the ALIKAY Naturals Essential 17 Hair Growth Oil to my hands. This is going to help prevent any friction from separating my curls and avoid unnecessary frizz. Now when separating my curls, I like to let them part naturally where they want. The goal is to avoid rushing or pulling your hair apart and creating frizzy sections in your curls. So I'm taking my time with each section, grabbing small pieces of hair and twisting in the direction of the curl. If the curl bounces back, you know you're separating correctly. With my curls all separated, I'm adding some volume with my pick for a fluffier look. Y'all know I love my volume, so this is not a surprise, but I'm just picking and fluffing until I get my hair as big as I like it. I will literally pick my hair for like a good 10 minutes before I'm satisfied with the final look. Y'all know big hair is life, so. Also, if you guys follow me on Instagram, you know that like this look right here is the look for me. I love the note part, flexi rod, perm rod set look, but I'm doing things differently today. For a change, I decided to put the front part of my hair into 2 mini ponytails just to get the hair out of my face. This is also going to get us ready for our next step. Now I can show you guys how I finesse my edges using ALIKAY Naturals' new Hold It Styling Gel. I can honestly say this is my new favorite edge control. Not only can it be used as a styler, y'all, but it provides vitamins and nutrients, making your hair healthier and stronger. It also doesn't have a stiff or waxy consistency like most edge controls do. It's smooth and glides onto your edges, making it easy to brush them right into place. The best part is that it dries super quickly, has all-day hold that nourishes the scalp with no melting or flaking. Y'all, no lie, after I used this gel, my edges stayed like this the entire day and did not move at all. I don't really do my edges frequently, but when I do, I like to keep it simple and just create little swoops all over my hairline. The Hold It Styling Gel makes doing my edges easy as ever. We have reached the end of this tutorial. What do you guys think of the final look? Please check out the Lemongrass collection by ALIKAY Naturals and their new Hold It Styling Gel. I really recommend this gel, y'all. It is literally like my holy grail edge control now. Thank you to ALIKAY Naturals for partnering with me on this video, and thank you guys for tuning in. I will see you all in the next one. Stay blessed.